Hello and welcome back. This is Steve from Ski Coaching Online. In this video, just a quick one on the different types of skis and which ski to buy, which one is right for you. So there's three things you want to look at. So the length of it, the width of it, and the radius. So those three things, you can play with the different sizes of those, and it will have a different feel for you on the snow. So the longer the radius, the less quick it comes around when you're doing the carving. So that just means if you're tipping it up onto the side, the track that you scribe in the snow, if it was a full circle, it'd be quite a big one. Okay, if you have a small radius, then the track that you will leave will be a little bit sharper like that. So the feel of it is that it will, when you're edging, it will come round quicker than a ski with a larger radius. Okay? The width of it, okay, that's what you've got underneath your foot. So the width, there's a couple of numbers on the skis. So like, for example, mine's 68. That means it's pretty good from edge to edge. There's not much ski underneath my foot. Okay, that's good for kind of carving. Then when you see like an all mountain or a powder ski, they tend to go a bit wider than that. So the width of the ski, the wider it is, the more ski there is, so the more float you'll have when you're on softer snow. So like say you're skiing in like bottomless powder in Japan, let's say, you're probably going to be on a wide ski to give you some float. Whereas I'm here on like a pretty firm piece right now, so I'm on a carving ski which is a little bit thinner. It feels a bit easier to go from edge to edge. When it comes to the length, okay, the longer it is, the more stable it will feel at speed. Okay, the shorter it is, the more nimble it will feel. Okay, so those two ends of the spectrum. So where you want to sit on there is up to you. If you want like a short ski that you can turn really quickly, then that's great. Sometimes people who are new to skiing prefer that because they feel like they have more control that way. As you get maybe a bit more comfortable and you start to go a bit faster, and then maybe people want to go a bit longer because they feel a bit more stable on that longer ski.